Hey everyone, this is Timo, top fitness and wellbeing coach with Holistic Services Group with your weekly wellness tip. Well, let me ask you a question. Do you struggle to get to sleep or stay asleep? Because I have the best tip that's guaranteed going to help you relax before you go to bed, and also if you wake up in the night, going to help you to drop off again very easily. Now, it's a deep breathing technique with a difference. We know that deep breathing is very beneficial for relaxation, but this is a breathing technique, as I said, with a difference. What I want you to do when you go to bed is start to take a deep breath in, deep down into the abdomen, but as you breathe in, you're also imagining you're breathing in relaxation. And then on the exhalation, you're going to imagine stress, anxiety, and worry and tension is leaving your body with the exhalation. So you're breathing in relaxation and calmness, exhaling tension, worry, and negativity is leaving your body. You try that for 10 breaths, I guarantee you're going to feel so much better. You're going to fall asleep a lot easier, and don't forget to try it if you wake up in the middle of the night. And whatever you do, if you wake up in the night, don't get on those digital devices. That's the last thing you want to be doing. Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tips from Holistic Services Group.